In this video, we'll cover the two main types of images you can upload to Design Space. I'll also touch on some benefits and challenges for each. The two image types you'll work with in Design Space are vector images and basic images, also called raster images. A basic image is made up of different colored pixels, individually colored squares arranged and stacked together to form a complete picture. A great example of a basic or raster image is a photo. Another easy way to identify a basic image is by the file extension. If your file name ends with .jpg, .gif, .png, or .bmp, that immediately tells you it's a basic image. And those file extensions do work with Design Space. Some upsides to working with basic images include they have smooth gradients and subtle tones. They're awesome for pattern uploads, and they are perfect for print then cut. On the downside, if you want to scale up, you'll lose image quality. Image sizes are typically on the larger side, and they do require a few more steps when converting them to cut files. Now, on to vector images, the true workhorse of Design Space. Technically, a vector image is a mathematical representation of an image, a graphic made up of points or nodes with paths that connect the dots. Vector images are absolutely ideal for cutting on your Cricut machine because, for all intents and purposes, these images are made from the same math that gets your Cricut cutting. While vector images come in many different file formats, the ones that are compatible with Design Space are .svg and .dxf. Vector files have a lot of benefits, like they come straight into Design Space needing virtually no additional editing. If you scale up, you'll have zero quality loss. And file sizes are typically pretty small and easily manageable. On the flip side, vector images might need a little more of your creative love in Design Space, like adding color, and probably dialing in the right size for your project. But that's the fun of it, right? So that's an overview of the image types that you can upload into Design Space. Just two types open up a whole world of creative potential. Let's get in there.